uniform is so big.
I know, you never really grew into it yet.
I wanna have you in every kind. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow, then we only have today. I'm gonna love you in every kind of way.
So, hey Play Cousin, welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscription box down below so that you can become a part of our Ohana. Why? Because
Ohana means family. Family means nobody
gets left behind.
or forgotten. Yeah.
So in today's video, I'm going to be transforming my daughter into me whenever I have to go to like my drill weekends and stuff like that. She has a uniform. She's been wanting to do this video for the longest time, but she could never fit the uniform, and the uniform is still too big, but today I just had to make it work. And so, really, you trying to take a selfie in our intro? Okay, now let's get into this video.
Yeah.
So I can transform you into me.
Yeah.
She don't have a shirt. She don't have a santee, so she has a white t-shirt.
Sit down.
So I got these little donuts from Claire's. Yeah, I wonder where your dad got these ponytail holders from. They're kind of cute. They're different.
Donut.
Don't judge my baby, okay? Her hair was in a totally different hairstyle before.
Don't touch me.
There we go. Oh, I see.
Where's it go?
Where did it go? It's right there. You don't need too much because your hair is thinner than mine.
I don't need too much.
No. And just so y'all know, I don't put gel in my baby's hair at all. Like when I do my own hair, I use gel. But for her, I don't use gel because she's a toddler. Like, I don't think that you should put gel in a little kid's hair. Be this way. Yeah. Put your head up. Throw just a little bit. Turn your head, mommy. You put your head. There we go. Okay, turn your head, mommy. You'll keep it like that. And then I'm gonna take her little donut. I'm going to wrap it around your ponytail. Oh my gosh, this is too cute.
This is so
Now keep your head straight this way. So, and then I'll tell you when you can look, okay? Okay. You're so dramatic. I think you know it too. Your donut is not gonna be perfect, okay? It's just not. To the camera? Yay! So now that your hair is is done. We're going to move on. What we're gonna move on to the makeup? You got something in your eye. I'm sorry. I'm always open. Okay, it's done. It's out. Girl, you got stuff. What you eat? You was eating snacks?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could tell. You don't really need makeup, so I will just pretend. We'll just pretend makeup, okay? Ooh. Ooh. But I'll give you some lip gloss because I know you love lip gloss.
Yeah. Lip gloss.
I know. Alright. Okay. I don't want you looking like you ate fried chicken. Okay. Okay. So now your makeup is done. So we're gonna put on your uniform, okay?
Okay.
And it's camouflage.
Camouflage?
Okay, we're gonna put on your uniform and be back, okay?
And be back?
Yeah, okay? The world.
I'm a highest ranking.
What are you, so you 4-star general?
I'm a highest ranking.
You're the highest ranking?
Yeah.
You're General Willis?
Yeah, do you I'm so funny.
You are so funny.
We are because we matches. You got a uniform like me.
Or you got a uniform like me. I had mine first.
No, I have mine first.
I had mine first.
I have mine first.
You didn't. Mommy had hers first.
Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you that you're worth it? If they haven't, baby, I apologize for them. I apologize for them. Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a rock at your window, calm down. Just have to say what's on my mind.